In this video, we're going to see how to model this part here, in which we can see that there is no symmetry at all. It's a very simple part characterized by a base that can have an approximate thickness of 1 unit in height. In this direction, it measures 4 units up to here and 2 units that way, 2 units vertically. This could also be 4 units. And this vertical could be 6 units, so that the total parallel piped would be 10 units in one direction, and 6 units on the other horizontal axis, with a total height of 8 units. With this bounding box in mind, we're going to open our Inventor file. To do so, we went to the New command, selected a standard template in millimeters, clicked Create, and it opened this file. We begin, as with previous parts, by selecting a work plane for the sketch and specifying that in this case we want to work on a horizontal plane, this one here. Once we're on the plane, we can make this first sketch. We said that we needed to draw a horizontal rectangle measuring 10 units by 6 units. We'll use the grid as a guide, going up to 10 units and 6 units, so that we already have that base. We close the sketch, and now we have that initial rectangle. Let's extrude it. The software recognizes that there's only one sketch, so that's the one it will try to extrude. We'll set the height to 1 unit, click OK, and now we have this first base. The second base is L-shaped, with a width of 2 units for each arm, so we once again create a sketch on the top face. We make that L shape by, for example, going 2 units to here and 2 units from here. Now we have the angular shape, and we only need to extrude it 1 unit. We run the extrusion command and select this rectangle and this other rectangle. For the height, it keeps the last value we entered, which is 1 unit. We click OK, and we have that second volume. The last thing we need to do is generate this other upper L shape, which measures 4 units by 4 units with a height of 6 units. So once again, we create a sketch on this top face. In this case, since we can take advantage of the geometry of the previous L, we project it onto the new sketch so that we already have that yellow outline to work from. Then, we draw a vertical line in the middle of this segment. So that this measures 4, and this also measures 4, and we extrude only this part here. We extrude this part a total of 6 units and click OK. Now, if we rotate again to appreciate the result, we can see that the part has been perfectly generated and is exactly the same as the one we had initially, this one here. And in this simple way, we have finished modeling our new part.